Need to reset your iPad to factory settings? Whether you're selling your device, troubleshooting problems, or forgot your passcode, this video will show you 4 ways to erase and reset an iPad. Before you start, make sure to back up your important data because a factory reset will erase everything. Let's begin. Method 1. Reset iPad from settings. If your iPad is working normally, open Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPad, tap Erase all content in Settings. Follow the prompts and your iPad will be restored to factory settings. This is the easiest method if you know your passcode. Method 2. Erase iPad remotely using iCloud. If your iPad is lost, unavailable, or not with you, you can erase it remotely. Sign into your Apple account through iCloud. Open Find Devices. Select your iPad, choose Erase this device. Once the erase process finishes, the iPad will be restored to factory settings. Keep in mind that you'll need your Apple ID credentials and Find My iPad must be enabled. Method 3. Restore iPad with Finder or iTunes. If the iPad is disabled or stuck, connect it to a computer. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Put the iPad into recovery mode. When prompted, choose Restore. Your computer will reinstall iPadOS and erase the device. Method 4. Reset iPad without passcode. If you've forgotten your screen passcode and can't access the device, a dedicated unlocking tool may help. Many users choose MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Connect the iPad to your computer and select Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. The software will download firmware and remove the screen lock so you can regain access to the device. This is particularly useful when the iPad is unavailable, disabled, or locked by a forgotten passcode. Those are 4 effective ways to reset an iPad to factory settings. Choose the method that best fits your situation. If you can access your iPad, use Settings. If the device is remote, try iCloud. If it's disabled, use Finder, iTunes, or MagFone iPhone Unlocker. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.